everyone, I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with a how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. We do these a few different ways. Sometimes we take requests from our audiences. Sometimes we have you vote on what trending install you want us to do next. And then sometimes we just show you what we want to show you. And so that's what we did today. And we're going to show you 7 trending rectangle tablescape designs that you can recreate for your wedding day. So Emily will tell us what we use.
So the products that we use include 1 of our Kate Garland, 2 of our Audrey grand centerpieces, 2 of our Millie large centerpieces, 3 of our Kinsley Vaseless centerpieces, 2 of our Shelbie Swags, 1 of our Taylor runner, which is new, and 6 of our Eloise Posies. The decor that we use include 2 of our short gold stands that we place the grands in, 2 sets of our classic gold candlesticks, 3 sets of our solitaire candlesticks, 2 sets of our tulip candlesticks, 1 set of our crystal votives, 1 set of our smoke studded votives, 1 set of our pink Tanger votives, 1 set of our beige bud vases in the size tall, 1 set of our small glass pillar candles, and 1 set of our large glass pillar candles.
Like 1 of each. But yeah, as always, it's linked in our description, so you don't have to remember that all. Just go scroll down a little bit, and all the products that we used are linked. So we made it super easy for you.
Yeah.
But now we can get into it. First table, we're going to start with the Kate Garland. Just lay it flat on the table. Kind of fluff up any flowers you want. And then we're just going to place the candlesticks.
These are the classic gold candlesticks, set of 3. So we use 2 sets.
I like when the flowers stick up a bit. Okay, this is very easy, simple, looks nice and full, and that's tablescape number 1. Tablescape number 2 features our new Kinsley Vaseless centerpiece. We're going to use 3. Just going to space them out evenly throughout the table. And then we're going to add our crystal votive sets. Come in a set of 9. And we're just going to place them throughout the table as well, in between the centerpieces.
You don't need 9, but if you wanted to use them all, you can.
Okay, this is table number 2.
Next, we're going to start off with the Taylor runner. This is our new Taylor runner. And you're just going to place it in the center of the table.
And then we're going to place tulip candlesticks throughout. And I think a nice tall candlestick looks nice with the runner, because you get some height and it just really stands out. Like the candlesticks will stand out in the runner, as opposed to like a shorter one. But here's look number 3. 4th tablescape, we're going to do large centerpieces. This is our Millie collection. We'll just place them throughout the table, and then we're going to scatter our smoke studded votives. These are also a set of 9, but you probably don't need a whole set, so you can spread them out really nicely with other tables. Okay, this is table number 4.
This next tablescape, we will use our short gold stand with our grand centerpiece and our solitaire candlesticks. We chose the solitaire because they are our shortest candlestick we offer, and since the stand and the grand, give a lot of height to the table. We wanted it to be different.
So we have 3 sets of our Solitaire candlesticks. They're this really pretty and like muted gold. All of the candlesticks will come with LED candles as well.
Okay.
And this is table number 5. Number 6, we're going to do a bud vase look. So we have our posies, which fit really great into our tall beige bud vases. So we're going to just pop the posy into the bud vase. And then we're going to just spread this out along the table. So our bud vases come in a set of 6.
Mm-hmm.
So you might not need the whole set. We'll show you the whole set, but you might probably only need like 4. And then we're going to add the pink Tanger votives throughout. Again, these come in a set of 9. This is table number 6. Okay, last table will be our swags. This sits similar like a Vaseless centerpiece, although there is a cage on the back if you want to attach it. But if you want like a larger, like a wider, low-sitting arrangement, this is a good option compared to the Vaseless centerpiece. And then we're going to pair this with our glass pillar candles. These come in 3 sizes, but we have the short and the large here. These come in a set of 6 as well. So you really that looks nice. You don't need the whole set. Again, you can spread them out amongst tables. But this is look number 7.
And here we have 4 of the large and 3 of the small, in case you want to mimic the same number.
Okay, and there you have it, 7 trending rectangle tablescapes that you can recreate for your wedding day. Again, all the products that we use are linked in the description. If next week we are taking requests for our how-to video, so if you are having trouble with creating the look that you want, go to the form in the description, fill it out, leave us some pictures, let us know your budget, what area you're trying to decorate, and we will help you bring that vision to life.
Yes. So if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.
Bye.